My topic for this video is publishing a report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. So this is a report which we really want to share to our teammates or to the end users. What we need to do first, we need to do publish it. As we click on Microsoft Power BI desktop window pop out, do you want to save changes? Yes, save. So as we click on here, now select a destination where you want to publish it. I'm selecting it my workspace. You can select it where you really want. So it's publishing. Replace this data. You already have a data set. I already created it. Named this. Replacing the data set may impact one report, but I want to replace it. So it's publishing. The name of the report is matrix.pbi.pbix. So it's how we can publish our report in Power BI. It's a simple button. If you want to share it with your end users or with your teammates, you have to publish it first. Now open in Power BI. So now Power BI service is opening and you need to do here to input your credentials like email ID, password at which your Power BI desktop has been installed. So these are two pages, matrix and tree map in this report, and if I want to download it, I can download it. If I want to edit it here, I want to edit it. I want to get inside, I can. I want to export, I want to save a copy, I want to print this page, I want to share, I want to chat in teams with other team members. So I can do all I really want here. So guys, I hope you understood what I am doing here. This is view. So all this we can do here is all about how to how we need to share our report and how to publish it. Now just go back to Power BI again. Here if I want to share this document, this is how we can share with other team members. Share matrix, and you can share it on OneDrive to share, and even you can have more options here how to save as on OneDrive and the another one person can access it from there. So if I want to provide the link of this, I can. If I want to manage who who the file has already been shared with and manage their access, I want there to access or not, it's up to you. You can change their setting. So they can edit it or not, you can control it. They can edit it or they can change some data. It's up to you. You really give them permission or not. You can set all the settings there when you share it. So this is how we can share and publish report in Power BI. Thank you.